Let's see how the marketing on this package matches the actual product compared to this package.
Everyone keeps asking me my opinion of this, so here we go. This is marketed as creamy peanut butter, which you can see here in the photo. Look at that smooth gooiness. I mean, it is enlarged to show detail, but I'm here for it. This also has the fair trade insignia, which is the huge marketing piece on the back. I applaud the effort to give livable wages and get children back into school. I find it funny that this is small and in like the left-hand corner where you can't really see it. So let's see how these literally stack up against each other. Here's the weight of the Feastables cups, and here's the weight of the Reese's cup. So the Reese's is slightly larger.
Here's what the product looks like. They look more like medallions to me than they do cups, but I kind of like it. Here's what the inside looks like. It's a nice peanut butter creamy taste. Here's what the inside of the Reese's peanut butter cup looks like. Not as creamy, but still pretty good. I will say the MrBeast cup was really creamy and milky, and I tasted a lot. It was a good mixture of that peanut butter and chocolate together. It tasted really good and smooth. I really enjoyed it. I will say though, based on this picture, I thought I was going to get a lot more peanut butter. You can see here it's a lot bigger in the actual cup than what I actually got. It was a lot thinner. That's really what I have to knock it down with. But I prefer creamy peanut butter over chunky peanut butter any day. So yeah, technically this is peanut butter that I crave, so they got that right. But other than that, it was pretty good. Now, did I like this more than the Reese's peanut butter cup? You know, they're different textures. This one's creamy. That one is a little bit more gritty. I really enjoy both of them. But I do feel like this one is milkier than the Reese's peanut butter cup. So I'm going to give these a product proximity score of an 8 out of 10.
From a flavor perspective, I like this better than his bars, 9.5 out of 10.